What if every device around you could learn, adapt, and predict your needs, seamlessly anticipating your next move? In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is moving beyond science fiction and into our daily lives. It's transforming everything from how we work to how we interact with the world. You'll discover practical AI applications that are here today, changing industries and making tasks simpler. AI in everyday personal assistance. Ever wonder how your smart speaker knows to play that exact song, or how your phone suggests the perfect route to avoid traffic? This isn't magic, it's AI at work. Personal AI assistants are becoming incredibly sophisticated. They learn your habits, preferences, and even your voice patterns. This allows them to offer truly personalized experiences. Consider the simple act of scheduling. Instead of juggling calendars and sending multiple messages, an AI assistant can now coordinate meetings, send invites, and even reschedule automatically based on everyone's availability. For instance, a small business owner might use an AI calendar assistant to book client meetings, send reminders, and update their CRM, all without a single manual entry. Or imagine a student using an AI note-taking app. It not only transcribes lectures, but also summarizes key points and generates flashcards for study. This frees up valuable time and reduces mental load. It allows us to focus on more complex tasks. It's about more than just convenience. It's about making every interaction more efficient and intuitive. AI revolutionizing healthcare. Could AI help diagnose diseases earlier than ever before? Or even develop new treatments at an unprecedented speed? The answer is a resounding yes. In healthcare, AI is already a game changer. From analyzing complex medical images to predicting disease outbreaks, AI's ability to process vast amounts of data is unparalleled. Think about how doctors currently diagnose certain conditions. It often involves reviewing countless scans and patient histories. With AI, algorithms can sift through thousands of medical images like X-rays or MRIs. They identify subtle anomalies that might be missed by the human eye, even by expert radiologists. This leads to earlier detection of diseases like cancer, significantly improving patient outcomes. Beyond diagnosis, AI is accelerating drug discovery. Instead of years of trial and error, AI can simulate molecular interactions, identify promising compounds, and even design new drugs with greater precision. For example, pharmaceutical companies are using AI to identify potential drug candidates for rare diseases, a process that traditionally took decades. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about saving lives and improving the quality of care for millions. AI in business and productivity. How are businesses leveraging AI to make smarter decisions, automate repetitive tasks, and boost overall productivity? Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the corporate landscape. It's impacting everything from small startups to global enterprises. It's enabling automation, personalized customer experiences, and data-driven insights that were once unimaginable. Consider customer support. Traditional call centers can be slow and frustrating. Now, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants handle a vast majority of routine inquiries. They provide instant responses and free up human agents for more complex issues. This means faster service for customers and more efficient operations for businesses. In marketing, AI analyzes consumer behavior patterns to create highly targeted campaigns. This ensures the right message reaches the right person at the right time. For example, an e-commerce company might use AI to recommend products to individual shoppers based on their browse history and purchase patterns, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Even in everyday office tasks, AI tools are automating data entry, generating reports, and even drafting emails. This allows employees to focus on strategic initiatives rather than mundane administrative work. This isn't just about cutting costs. It's about unlocking new levels of innovation and competitiveness in creative industries. Could AI compose a symphony, paint a masterpiece, or even write a compelling story? The lines between human creativity and artificial intelligence are blurring. AI is no longer just a tool for automation. It's becoming a collaborator in the creative process. Think about music production. AI can generate new melodies, harmonies, and even entire compositions based on specific styles or moods. Artists are using these tools to overcome creative blocks or to explore entirely new soundscapes. In graphic design, AI can quickly generate multiple design variations, analyze user preferences, and even create unique visual assets from scratch. Imagine a small design agency using AI to generate dozens of logo concepts in minutes, or a video editor employing AI to automatically color correct footage and stabilize shaky shots. Even in writing, AI models can assist with brainstorming, drafting content, and refining prose, making the writing process more efficient and accessible. While human creativity remains essential, AI is providing powerful new instruments and techniques. It's pushing the boundaries of what's possible and opening up exciting new avenues for artistic expression. The future of smart cities and infrastructure. What if our cities could anticipate traffic jams, manage energy consumption, and respond to emergencies with unparalleled efficiency? AI is central to the concept of smart cities. It's building intelligent infrastructure that improves urban living. Imagine a city where traffic lights adjust in real time based on traffic flow, significantly reducing congestion and travel times. AI-powered sensor networks collect data on everything from vehicle density to pedestrian movement. This allows for dynamic adjustments that optimize urban mobility. In energy management, AI systems can predict demand, manage power grids more efficiently, and integrate renewable energy sources seamlessly. This leads to substantial energy savings and a reduced carbon footprint. Furthermore, AI is enhancing public safety. Surveillance systems equipped with AI can detect unusual activities or identify potential threats, alerting authorities faster than traditional methods. For instance, a city might use AI to monitor public transportation for suspicious packages, or to quickly identify areas prone to accidents based on historical data, allowing for proactive interventions. This isn't just about making cities more technologically advanced. It's about creating safer, more sustainable, and more livable environments for everyone. The ultimate payout. From personalized assistants guiding your day to intelligent systems shaping our cities, AI is no longer a distant concept, but a powerful force. It's shaping our present and defining our future. The smart tech we once dreamed of is now a tangible reality, continually evolving and becoming an indispensable partner in our modern world. This is only the beginning.